Hello class, this is Mark McInich with MDF2, term 1404. This is the final reflection video for Project 4. This was a really challenging week for me. I'm sure it was for most of you also. This was actually a pretty big project and a lot of coding. I had to refer back to previous courses and projects to actually get this completed. I had a lot of fun with it. It was really interesting for these advanced table views that we're using this week. Just a short overview. In the main view controller, in the header file here, I just got the I just created an array here with the movie name, movie time, and the image. And of course, you know, the table view here with the outlet. And in the main controller, these are all the arrays for the info, which is stored in here in my movie.h and movie.m. It just carries the actual movie and the times and the image itself. And I have all 15 of them down here. And then this is where we start creating our table view for the actual number of rows and sections that we have. So there's supposed to be 5 in each one, a total of 15. And then this is where I created my custom header that we was asked to create, and that's it. And then what I did is I created a UI table view cell, as in some of the previous courses or projects that we had. I created a custom cell for this to store all this information in, as far as the movie names and the info and the image and the time. And then down here in the player controller M file, this is actually where I'm calling the actual player that will show the actual movie. That's where I kind of ran into some problems at too. I know there's supposed to be like 15 of them, and I watched some of the other students' videos and everything, and they just showed like one video showing it, you know, that hey, this works and this is, you know, what is going on. And that's kind of what I'm doing. I kind of ran out of time, and I'm running out of time now. I'd like to really get some more of this done, and I got like 15 minutes to get this video done and get it uploaded to the school. But anyway, this is the player view controller, and this is where I call it. And right down here is where I actually made in my storyboard in the view controller, or the player view controller, I made inserted a view which I called my UI view, and this is where the frame is going to be to make the size of what it's going to be showing. And then I have my on stop button, of course, that'll stop the movie. And then I went ahead and put a well, I called it home. I should have changed that. I put it back. This will actually take you back to the next view, and then of course the on play, which will start it. And then I got my custom cell, which we're all familiar with. Nothing really new here. And then my theater view, actually that's where I screwed up too. I didn't get to actually finish all of that. Besides that, anyway, I had a really good time with this, and just let me show you what's going on here with it. I did create a little icon image here for it in the simulator, and as you see here, this is week 4, a little icon here, and you click it, and I just put in there, my headers are not fancy by no means. I wish I could have done a little bit better with that, but I put in the Ocala Theater, and then Kokomo, from where I'm originally from in Indiana, and then and Indianapolis. Now the problem, like I said, that I had is I created this theater info, which is a custom object here, and that's where I was going to store all the rest of my actual, let's see here, in the main view controller. As you see, I do have all of the 15 movies at times and the images, but they're not actually displaying because I ran out of time. But I did get them to where I do have the actual 3 headers that we're supposed to have, and with that. And then if you click this, it'll take you to the next view, which will tell you just a little bit more about it, about the same as the first view. And then you click the watch the trailer button, and then the movie player here. Then you click play.
I'm Martin Sharp, the man
Which that works, no problem. And like I said, I just kind of upset because I kind of ran out of time, and this being the last project. And like I said, I really had a good time with this. I just wish I could have really completed it and put a lot more into it. The stop button does work, and then like I said, I just put the back button in there. It takes you back into there, and then back to your home page here. I kind of like that where I did the transition. As far as going vertical, it'll flip horizontal. That's about all I have. Running out of time here. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope everybody had a great month in MDF2, and hopefully we'll see you all next month. Thanks for watching.